Hey guys, welcome back. So, today I'm here with a project. So, in this video, we are going to build in a project which is called a Hangman project. So, what this actually wants to do is we have to guess a word, and if each letter is false, then uh, it lose the life of a little man. So let's get started. So here are some list of words. Okay. So after this word, we have to randomly choose, right? So for that, we have to import a random, then random dot choice, and in the bracket the name of the list. And now this will store in a variable named chosen underscore word. Yeah, so done with this, and now we have to ask uh, the user about for each letter, right? For that we will use the input function and guess a letter. Oh, sorry, guess a letter, and we will store it in a variable named guess. Yeah, so done with that. And here now we have to loop, and we have to check whether the word which is already here and the user is typing is correct or not. For that we will use the for loop for letter in chosen word. If letter is equal to guess, the colon print right, else print wrong. We have to make it a string, but mistakenly so let's run the program. Oh my god, what happened? Sorry, it was a spelling mistake. So guess a letter. If I'm guessing A, then wrong, right, wrong, 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 wrong. So I guess it's this, right? This word, because it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the word was baboon. Yeah. So yeah. Next, we have to modify our code a little bit more. So first, we want to check that how we can replace the blanks. For that, we can create a list called display, which is an empty list. After that, we are gonna create a for loop, which is called for number in range. If you guys are not familiar with range and len functions, etc., watch out my previous videos. I have clearly explained about everything. So len chosen word don't forget to put the colon. See how it's indented. After that, display plus plus equals to underscore. After that, outside the for loop we have to print display. Yes, done with that. Now we have to modify this code. Just clear it out. Then for position in range, again len function and the variable named chosen word. After that, colon indented. After that, we have to create a variable called letter is equal to chosen word square bracket position. Now we have to create a if statement, which is called if letter is equal to guess. The guess is the variable which the user types the value, that's one. Then if letter is equal to guess, then display position is equal to letter. At last we have to print our list. Again we will run the code. What happened, I don't know. A is not there in the this. Just rerun it again and we will type B. Then B have filled in this 2 places because baboon contains 2 times, right? So yeah, done with this. So next, how to check the player won? For that, we will use a while loop. So I hope that you guys are familiar with while loop. So after while loop, we have to indent this, all right? So just select it out and click the tab key. Then you can see that it's been indented. After that, before while loop, we can create a variable called end of game and its value is false. False means it's a boolean, right? Then while not end of game colon, then create a if statement. If underscore is not in display colon, it's intended. After that, end of game, its value will be true, and at last print you win. So let's run our program. The solution is beekeeper, guess a letter. If I am guessing A, nothing will happen. If I'm guessing K, then K will be filled in this position of blank. Then B, E, B, E, R. So beekeeper, then you win. Yes. Now I have created here a list called stages. So what this actually mean is, if we type each letter and if each letter is wrong, then we will lose the life. So for that, we are going to create a variable called lives and its value is 6. So look at this if statement. If letter is equal to guess, then display position is equal to letter. And if I'm typing here else, then print no match. Now if we run the code, the solution is beekeeper. So if I'm typing E, then no match, no match, no match, no match. You know why this is like this? Because it's inside the for loop. So instead of this, we have to do an outside the for loop. For that, just delete it out and create another if statement, which is like if guess not in display colon, then lives should minus, so minus equals 1. And another if statement is if left's value becomes 0, so it is 0, then print you lost. And at last we have to print our list, right? So for that, print our list name is stages and according to lists. So yeah, let's run our program. The solution is beekeeper, guess a letter. If I am guessing, we will guess wrong letter. So D, we have lose 1 life. Another wrong letter F, another life is gone. G, etc, etc. And if I rerun the code, camel. So if I'm typing correct letter C A M E L, then you win. So yeah. So look at here, I have created 2 new files. One is Hangman art, which is contained a list of stages and a logo. Okay, and Hangman words contains more words. So now we will delete this line and we have to import this file to our code. For that, we will type from hangman underscore words import, from hangman words import word list, and for we want to print the logo, right? For that, from hangman underscore art import logo, import logo and print logo. So it will print at the beginning of our code while running, and here we will type that from hangman underscore art import, from hangman art import the stages, so print stages. Now let's run our code. I have comment this line. Okay, so we don't know what is the word, so guess a letter. First, my name is Shekha, so I'm guessing S. It is wrong. A, yeah, A is there in our word. L is also wrong. E is also wrong. M is also wrong. F is also wrong. Oh my god, we only have 1 or 2 lives left. what we will do, my god. C. Oh, we lost. So we don't know what is the word, but we lost. We will try it again. Run the code. A. A is not there. E. E is not there. I is there. And M. M is not there. N is there. P is not there. And F is also not there. And one more life remaining, and we'll type B. Yes, B is there. U. Yes, U is there. T. Unfortunately, we lost. Now let's search for our words. B U, right? So B U. It was buzzing. No. Yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed this project. So uh, so until next video, take care and bye bye, and watch out my previous videos if you guys are not familiar with all of this. So bye.